habits of excellence, habits of success, entrepreneurship, leadership and management, learning and development, and outlook, mindsets, attitudes. Hello world! Welcome to AskLouieB. You ask the questions, I'll give the answers. Your prepared content is good, but that's really only 20% of your success. 80% of your success when you're presenting to top level people would be the way you facilitate the discussion. Starting from gathering information, synthesizing it, responding to questions and concerns, and then making sure that agreements are developed at the end. Good luck and all the best in your presentations to senior executives. This is Louie Banta of LJMB. Thank you for watching my video. To watch more videos like this, click subscribe and hit the bell icon below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and share it to others.